So yesterday we started this floor plan by taking the overall measurements, 20 feet by 20 feet. I'm just gonna tell you that the bottom of this will be 12 squares above the bottom. So from the first line, you find the scale of 1/4, 1/4. Here it is, and you place your zero, not the last line, but this, the zero, 12 above the first line, and you draw this line like so softly, and then from here you measure 20 above, so 20 is here, and you will make this horizontal line. But I need to pause a little. Great. In the same manner, in the same way, you're going to count from the first line that I'm pointing here, this first line. You put your zero there anywhere and count 5, and from 5 you put a zero from 5 to 20, and draw these two lines to make a beautiful square, 20 by 20, like so. Okay, but yeah, ensure that you leave a margin of 5 squares and then 20, 12 squares and then 20. From every corner, you will mark 6 and 6 from every corner, so that when you connect 6 and 6, it makes a 45-degree line, also called a chamfer in the square. Chamfer. What is it called? Chamfer. Okay. 6 is here, and 6 is right there, right there. Okay. Don't confuse me, because okay. 6 from every corner, every corner. 6 right there, and let me connect quickly, and but you're gonna do it more carefully. 6, and where are you? 6. Here you are. 0. Don't do this. Not from the outside line. From 0, your hero. So connect the corners. Right there. Now I said you start with the major dimensions, and notice that you have a major wall here. So where does it come from? 4 feet from the corner. So 4 feet, right there, right there. And just use the guideline to guide you towards the other side, like so. Then we're gonna make that defines the living room area. Oh, but we're missing the restroom. Notice that it's got some dimensions. From outside to here, how much is it? 5 feet, 8 inches. Follow the extension lines. Follow the what? Extension lines. So 5 feet 8. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna count 5 feet 8? There's two ways. Way number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 8. I don't know. Okay, here is 6. Here is 6. So this is 1 foot. How many inches here? 12. 12 divided into 3 equal spaces. That should give you 4 plus 4. That's 8. How about that? Yeah? So that's way number 1. Way number 2. Oh, okay. Method number 2. You use the ruler, not the ruler, the architectural scale. Notice that this indicates inches. Inches. Oh, you can barely see there, right? Well, I enlarge. This is enlarged, an enlarged uh, drawing of this. So if this is 12, here is 0 to 12, then half of it is what? 6. Half of 6 is 3. Josiah, please. Half between 6 and 12, 9. Can you see that? So this is divided actually also into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So uh, you need to identify those markings here. Can you see? You have half and then half of half. I know this is 3, 6, 9. And in between, the littlest markings are inches. So 5 feet. Bueno, I'm gonna find 8 inches here. Where's 8 inches? There's 9. Uno menos 8. So first the inches and then 5 will land right there, which is the same. How about that? Okay. Anyway, from here to here needs to be 5 feet 8. It says that from the corner this way, how much is it from here to here? It says right there 4 feet. And also I added this dimension just to make it easier for you. 4 feet from this corner, pa acá. So I'm gonna mark 4 feet right there. And from this corner, or this beginning of the line, 4 feet, which matches the guideline. And all you have to do is connect the dots. And there you have it. I believe this is as far as you got yesterday. Am I correct? Or did you go further than that? Muy bien. Oh, the chimney. No, chimney the cricket. Okay, that came out wrong. The chimney, notice that from the corner above is 2 feet and then 4 feet. And from this wall to the back, 2 feet as well. Can you see that? 2 feet and 2 feet. Hello? So from here to the back, 1, 2 squares. Make an indefinite line. And then from here above, 2 feet. That means this time. Okay, 2 feet and then 4 feet. You can even count the squares. 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet. This is happy music. Quiet. Okay. So there you have the chimney and the restroom defined. How about that? Aplausos. No, solo. Okay. Record. So, I don't need this anymore. The next thing to do is to make the walls, to have an offset and a thickness. You're going to make an offset to define the thickness of the wall. Let me tell you, these walls are made out of wood studs. Studs, like myself. No, wood studs that are called 2x4s. So the thickness of this offset will be 4 inches. So you need to offset 4 inches every line. Now the problem is that you need to know. In other words, you need to offset to the correct side. Of course, these lines are outside. Okay, then everything will offset inside the room because yeah, you can copy outside and that will be wrong. No, copy the line inside, offset towards the inside. Now this line could offset to the right or this line can offset to the left. Tell me, which way should it go? Right. Who says right? Who says left? You, sir, are wrong. No, I said, if you pay attention, I said, it goes inside the room. So if this line is to be copied inside, it will be to the right. RONG, wrong. Okay. Now, I'm just spicing the speech, but nothing personal. Okay. Now, how can I make 4 inches to the inside? Well, again, I can divide a square by 3 equal parts because it's 12 from here to here, divided by 3, 4. So that gives you, and do it twice, mark it twice, so that you make a parallel line like so. How about that? And then here, oh my goodness, I cannot divide a square. So then use the scale, the inches part of the scale. Can you pay attention? Now, you can see probably with your better eyesight than me, you can see 3 inches, but no, you need 4 inches. So go 1 notch more, and that should give you 4. How about that? And yeah, learn to mark 4 inches. It's a challenge, and it needs to look parallel like that. Okay, mira, where's 4? 3, I see 3, and then 1 notch is 4. 1 more notch. And más, let me zoom microscopically so you can see better here. From 0, I see 3, and 1 more line is 4. How about it? And do it softly. Don't do it super heavy. Again, 1 more time. And 4. I see 3, but it's more than 3. 4, I thought. And that should give me a parallel line, an offset. Ooh, this is bad. Okay. And you're gonna go around the world. All the walls need to offset 4. In other words, everything that you see gray here. Ooh, except this, because this offset is 1 foot, as you can see. So don't do the columns. I will explain the columns. Offset all the walls without the windows. Don't do the window openings. Don't do the door openings. So, but offset to the correct side. Question. No. How you there? I'm recording here, and then you ask me to go to the restroom. Okay, listen. As I said, all the lines need to offset inside the room. From outside to inside, from outside to inside, from outside to inside. And this one actually is 2 offsets. I'll explain why. Because it's behind the toilet and they need more space for the pipes and all that. So 8 inches here, as you can see. Offset all the walls. Don't try to do the door openings. Don't try to do these openings. I will explain that later. Go ahead and complete this.